This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Adobe Illustrator on Windows. So how do you get Illustrator on your PC? Well, first things first, in the video description, I have a special trial offer for you for Illustrator. You can click the link in the video description just below this video, and you can get this 7-day free trial. So once you've clicked my link, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page. There's a bit of blurb here about how the 7-day free trial works, and they also have this 14-day free money-back guarantee as well. So all you need to do to download is you will click on this Start Free Trial button right here. Once Adobe's servers have kicked in, you will see we've got the details here. So by default, Illustrator is selected. You can select Creative Cloud Pro if you want. That includes 20 plus apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe, Acrobat Pro, and I believe also they have Premiere Pro, the video editing tool, included in that, as well as 20 plus other apps. So we've got individuals selected here. If you're a student or teacher, you can get a discount, and currently they also have a business plan option here. So once you have made your selections here, now just to mention again, you see 7-day free trial is included, so you don't pay anything. You're going to enter payment information, but this is a 7-day free trial. You can cancel it anytime. As you can see here, it's a 7-day trial, and then they put you onto the monthly plan unless you select the annual billing. Once you click continue here, you've entered your information, the download will start, and that is how you get Adobe Illustrator on your Windows PC. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.